So we're excited to show you this new physical therapy center on Texas Boulevard. This is Restore Physical Therapy Center. We appreciate Tammy and Lifford Lethringer for hiring us to do this. This thing turned out amazing. And so let's talk about what's going on at the building and showcase some of the work that we did. Okay, guys, so taking a look on the inside of the physical therapy, when you walk in the front door, you're going to hit this reception area. And as you can see to my right, this is the reception desk. This is a floating desk that we custom built. It's got these great white oak slat boards all along the perimeter of it. Those repeat again behind the desk. Awesome looking quartz countertop that's done in this kind of a waterfall edge all the way around it. Alpha Stone helped us with all the countertops in the building. This floor that you're looking at here, this is a luxury vinyl plank floor done in a very light, natural color. All of this was supplied by the carpet shop. We certainly appreciate their efforts in this. It looks amazing. Everything is on sort of a monotone color that you're seeing on the walls and the ceilings, and then we just give it a little pop of color with the doors here. This is definitely a trendy look. Coming down that central hallway, there's going to be two ADA bathrooms. These are basically identical. As you take a look inside, you're going to have your typical toilet feature with the grab bars on both walls. You've got an ADA accessible sink fixture here to where the wheelchairs could go underneath it if you've got patients with wheelchairs. You've got these awesome countertops that Alpha Stone supplied to us. All the plumbing fixtures come through Double J Supply, and we certainly appreciate those folks for their help. Okay, so heading into the physical therapy room, you're going to come down this wheelchair ramp. This puts you into what was the original garage of this house, and so we've capped the concrete in here. We've brought this up closer to grade. This is going to be where all of the training equipment goes, and so I'm sure all the employees will be working with those that are taking their physical therapy treatments, and this will be the rehab center. So there's 4 exam rooms in the building. They're all basically identical and pretty close to the same floor plan. So I don't know exactly what all furniture the owner will have in here, but they begin to set up some things. So there'll be these exam beds and what have you. And so once again, there's 4 of these. They're basically the same. Next, we're going to show you one of the admin offices, and then we will finalize the video. I wanted to show this to you. This is a good size office here. Behind me is an original fireplace from the 50s, and so these are definitely that mid-century modern brick lay. I sure wish we could get bricks that look just like this today, but these are just no longer available. I'm glad the owner decided to keep it because it just goes so well with the way this thing looks. We got this awesome blue accent wall over here to the right, and you know, you need a little pop of color in these things, in my opinion. So Once again, we are super happy to be part of this. We appreciate Tammy and Lifford for picking us to do it. There's lots of competition out there, and so we're blessed to have it. It shows you, though, what can be done with these 1950s and 1960s homes that are zoned commercial. You can convert these things, make them into your doctor's offices, your physical therapy centers, any kind of retail space that you want. They look amazing, and we appreciate the opportunity to do it. Hope you guys enjoy these videos. Please like, share, and subscribe.